Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following are side effects of SSRIs? Insomnia, sedation, nausea, and weight gain are side effects of SSRIs. Side effects of SSRIs include SSRIs causes both sedation and insomnia. It causes both sedation and insomnia. In long-term use, it causes weight gain also. Other common side effects of SSRIs include nausea, diarrhea, anxiety, sweating also. But it does not precipitate the seizures.
thank you and thank you for watching.